Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a property that is back on the market. It was built in 2017 and sits on 0.33 acres of land. This is your ideal investment property, an Airbnb Oasis or your dream home. Located in the cool and quiet Belvedere, Redhill St. Andrew area. This home offers a suburban rural charm. Enjoy the crisp, clean air and its closeness to nature. Endless possibilities awaits the discerning buyer with these 10 ensuite bedrooms plus a helper's quarters. Any room can be converted to your office if there is a need for one. There is also an attached 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom self-contained flat with a balcony without access to the main house, which again lies another opportunity for extra income. The main house has 2 generous floating wraparound balconies that captures the sunrise and sunsets and magnificent views of mountains and all the way to the Norman Manley Airport. One of these balconies are on the west wing and the other on the private master east wing. A large family room for all the gatherings, 2 kitchens, 2 dining rooms, swimming pool, enclosed automatic 2-car garage, electronic gate, and the landscaped grounds. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 135 million or US $877.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.